Hello guys, today we are going to learn about the how to find the inverse modulo. Okay, actually we have that equation A is equals to 2, 2, 1, 2. This is the matrix form equation, and we have the modulo 5, that is mod 5. Okay, what is the formula of inverse modulo? That is A into A inverse. Actually A is, we have this matrix form, and then we have to write the formula of the A inverse. A inverse is equals to 1 by det A into adjoint A. Actually, I think you all may know that. Then first of all find the det A value. Okay, everybody know that. Let me find out this. 2 into 2, 4 minus 2 equals to 2, and then actually we have the mod 5. That is mod 5. Okay, now came to adjoint A. Actually we find the det A, and then now it's turn to find the adjoint A. Okay, to find this adjoint A, we have the formula is, before writing this we have to write A, that is A, B, C, D. This is the matrix form of the matrix which is in the A value. Okay, we have to interchange the places D, A, and then minus B, minus C. This is the formula for the adjoint A. Based on this we will find that C, that too DA, we have to interchange these places 2, 2. If we interchange them, their place will be stable, and then B should be minus B, that too minus 2, and then C should be minus C. Okay, this is the adjoint A. Okay, now it's turn to find out the A inverse. We have the adjoint A. Okay, again write the formula 1 by det A into adjoint A, that is 1 by 7 of, that is det A. Actually we got the det. Sorry to find out this. Here det 2 mod 5. We have to modify this value. See how to modify this. See here we will use the formula x is equals to mq plus r. We just require the remainder. X value is 2 equals to mod is 5, and then how much we have to add this? Quotient should be minus 1. If we put the minus 2, then it will be minus 10. We don't want here any minus value. This is 2, just positive value. So we will place the minus here, and to remove this minus in front of this, we need the greater value than this. Okay, keep the 7. See, if we solve this, then it will be minus 5 plus 7, it is 2, that is 2 is equals to 2, and it is same. So 7 is the remainder. We will write that it is equals to 7. Okay, I will end up this to our clarification. Already we have the adjoint A. Okay, use this det A. Okay, and that to write the adjoint A, 2 minus 2 minus 1 and then 2. This is the we require the adjoint A. Okay, mod 5. Then we will write it as 7 inverse. Again it will be the same. Okay, here we have the 7 inverse. Here we have to remove this 7 inverse. In this place we have to keep the positive value. See how to place the positive value, that is 7 inverse equals to, we have to find it in the 7x mod 5 equals to 1. The remainder should be equals to the 1. Okay, 7 into 1 of mod 5. Here it will not be equals to 1, because see, in my previous video also I explained it clearly. 7, if we divide it with 7, our remainder will be 2, so it will not be equals to 1. Again use this 2 of mod 5. See, if you remember that this will be, there will be the remainder 4, and it also not equals to 1, and then equals to 3 mod 5. It will be C, it will be equals to 1, because if we divide 21 by 5, it is equal by 4, and then remainder will be 1. So in place of 7 inverse, we will put this remainder as 3. Okay, see, that to 3 of 2 minus 2 minus 1 and then 2. That is again the same mod 5. Okay, now multiply this matrix with my 3. 6 minus 3 and then 6. Mod 5. Now the numbers which are inside the matrix should be less than 5. See, here 6 is more than 5, minus 6 is here, minus 6 will be less than 5, but it contains the negative value. We should change it into the positive value. Here minus 3 also same and 6 also same. Actually, to change them, we have the formula x is equals to mq plus r. First of all, find out for 6. 5, 1 plus 1. That is 6 is equal to 6. So we will write that as 1. In 6th place we will write, in both places we will write 1. Now for minus 6. That is 5 into minus 2 plus 4. See, this is minus 10 plus 4 is minus 6. Okay, I already wrote for minus 3 also. Then place these reminders in place of these. Okay, which is the inverse. This is A inverse. Now we have to find the inverse modulo formula, that is A into A inverse. Now if we apply this, already first of all I told that A is 2, 2, 1, 2 and then C. Again 2, 2, 1, 2 and then A inverse is 1, 4, 2, 1. 1, 4, 2. Okay, just I think you all know the multiplications. Then do the matrix multiplication. 2 and then like this we will do 2 into 2, 2 minus 4 because it is minus 2. Okay guys, these are the plus 2 and then plus 1. Then it will be the 2 plus 4 and then if we do the remaining things, 8 plus 2 and then 1 plus 4 and then 4 plus 2, that is 1 into 4 plus 2 into 1. This is the matrix. Then if you solve this, then we will get 6, 10, 5, 6. See, here we have modulo 5. These values are greater than the 5. Then we should change these values first. If already on the above side we see that already we solved this. By changing the 6 into modulo, then we will get 1, 1. And then for 10, see, it is something different than from that. If we see, by using the same formula, if we use that for 10 is equals to, we may use that 5 into just 2. This remainder will be 0. The remainder will be 0. And then for 5 also, if we find out that 5 into 1 plus 0, we got the remainder 0. We will write them like that only because always A into A inverse equals to I. Already you all know that 1, 0, 0, 1 equals to I. That is A into A inverse equals to I. At last, the A into A inverse equals to I. This is the inverse modulo formula. And then at last, whether you should check your answer is correct or not, the total whole matrix should be equals to the I. Thank you for watching my video.